Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today design is modern logo design. So, let's get started and subscribe my channel. Firstly, I take my size and you take your size. Then I open my drawing file. Then I it's for opacity greater than to less than. And then I take layer name. Now I take a circle shape. And then take a path selected. Okay, it is perfect. And then again a path. This very hard, so please attention. And then again a path. Now I customize it. And then again a path. Now I require my customize. Now I take long path selected. This path select is very easy. Okay. Then the tire path color selection. So, I take red color. Then I take a circle shape. And then again. Now I take path twacked. Then again a shape. Then again path twacked. And again I take a shape. And again. This twacked in corner. And then take a path. Okay. Then this path need twacked. Okay. Now I art a power path select. Okay. Then again a circle path. It's need to twacked it. And again it copy. Okay, it is perfect. Then this corner twacked it. Okay. This corner some twacked. Okay, it is perfect. Then I chose this for color. Then again I path selected. And again circle path. In front the tire. And then again. Now it's need to twacked. Then I take a long path. And then again a circle path. It's need some twacked it. Okay, done. Then again a some long path. Again I take a circle path, and then I take long path. And then again. Again a circle path. And. Okay, it is perfect. Now I take again circle path. And again path copy. Okay, it is perfect. Now again a long path too. Okay. And then again opposite side. It's okay. Now I color object this. Okay, it is perfect. Then I take a circle path. Then this path stroke. It's okay. Now again a small path. Now I take a long path. Then a circle path. Okay, done. And then again. This is very important. Okay, it's perfect. Then again a take long path. Then I chose my two favorite color. And then again a path. It's okay. Then it's need large to small. Now I take a text. Let's go. Cardio bike rental. Then I chose my font selection. Then I take text divided. And last text to space. Now I take a shape. Okay, the end, and please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.